Hey, you want to learn how to saddle stitch? Let's get saddle stitching. I'll teach you how.
For this we need a sturdy stitching pony, a couple harness needles, the leather we're stitching, and of course some waxed thread.
You need 4 times the amount of thread for the stitching length of what you're stitching. Just like so. Always leave it a little extra, just in case. So for threading your needle, you want it to go through the hole. Then you want to have about this much in there. And from there you're going to poke from the tip of the needle, half an inch away from the tip, just like this. And then you're going to have this D shape. You're going to pull this down, finger up here, and then pull. And then you do that on both sides, and now you're secure. So the first thing we're going to do is go on the right side, just like so, and stitch it all the way to the halfway mark until you have an even amount of thread on each side. Then you're going to take the right side and you're going to poke it through the next hole. You're going to pull it towards you, away from that next needle that's going to go through, and then you're just going to poke it through just like that. Now it's up to you, but it's how I do it, and that's how I keep consistent. This loop right here that you can see is right now underneath this thread. I usually try to make it end up to the bottom of it, just like that. It just keeps the consistency of my stitches, and when I see the angles, it stays the same. So you can pull it through and then tighten them up, just like that. Now at this point you want to have an even amount of thread as well, again, and now we have it right there. Now let's see how much we could. And when you get to the end, all you have to do now is backstitch, which means going through the same holes twice, usually. And this part you want tight. About 1/8 of an inch, or 1/16 of an inch even for some. Depends on your project. Then we just burn it. Press it down with the lighter. Boom! Saddle stitching.